Hey there, comedy connoisseurs! You've just found my YouTube channel, the internet's premier spot for construction's most hilarious moments. We've dug through social media to bring you clips so absurd they'd make a steel girder do a double take. From workers inventing new ways to trip to machinery with a sense of humor, we're serving laughs daily. Subscribe, comment your own worksite bloopers, and let's build a laughter skyscraper.
Segundo intento, ¿eh?
Oh, hell no.
Hey, you fun seekers! So, tell me, didn't those construction clips have you in stitches? Were my worksite gestures making you cackle so loud you scared your dog into hiding? Don't bolt yet. The next moments are gonna be funnier than a bulldozer doing a stand-up routine. Expect epic fails and tools with a flair for the dramatic. Ditch us now and you'll regret it like forgetting your lines in a comedy show. Subscribe, share your reactions, and let's keep the Laughter Foundation strong. Time to sign off. If you're not cackling like a hyena, I've failed you. Thanks for watching. See you at 7 p.m. tomorrow for more madness. Peace.